Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can find Azurobes inside of Palworld 1.0, and they spawn over here inside of this big old lake. However, I'm not really here for a regular Azurobe because as fun as those are, I'm here for the big girthy Azurobe, the lady of the lake, the one that's dummy thick. Because, well, if you're going to go for any of the pals, you might as well go for, I don't know what's going on back there. Something's happening defying gravity. Anyway, we're going to go for this bad boy, and we're going to see how that goes. So I'm going to go ahead and start attacking the boss Azurobe. And we're going to go from there. I'm going to use my Lunaris to attack him for two reasons. Lunaris is really just a good idea to have in your party in general, because her abilities, well, his abilities in this case, make your pal spheres homing. So when you throw them, instead of just going buck wild and flying off or bouncing around and having to like do overhand or underhand or figure out the angle of your attack and all that jazz, it just makes them homing. So they home in directly to whatever your clearest target is, to where your reticle is when you're aiming. So no longer do you have to worry about, you know, like it bouncing funny and falling off in the distance. Instead, it will just home right in. So you can find those if you want to get a Lunaris. Those are over here in this particular wildlife sanctuary. You can find them at nighttime. So with that in mind, again, if you want to find these Azurobes and get like a really big Azurobe, they're great to have for your water abilities and such. You can find them up here in this lake, which is to the northwest of the starter zone over here. You just cruise up here over this bridge down here, or you can go over here. It really doesn't matter. And then you can just walk up these roads up to here and then just jump from this Whisper Cliff area, and you'll be right here to catch as many of these Azurobes as you want. Just bring lots of pal spheres. There's lots of goodies in them there hills. That'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time for more info on how to catch all of those pals that you so crave. Goodbye, everybody, and have a good one.